Hello, this is Amber Wood. Welcome to video 29. Today we are doing an e.l.f. haul. No, it is not Christmas time, but they are having a summer sale on the e.l.f. Cosmetics website. A friend of mine sent me the link the other day and I was like, oh my God, their stuff is usually pretty inexpensive anyway, so I thought I'd just go check it out. So I went on the website and totally got a whole bunch of stuff. So I was going to show you what I got today and see if there's anything that you like. You might want to go check it out because the sale is on right now. Now, if you have not done so, please subscribe and do it today. Hey, look at my shirt. How cute this is. Ha ha ha. More weekend. Everybody wants more weekend. Okay, but here we go. So I have a box here. Now, my husband saw the bill and he was like, what are you doing? I was like, I'm sorry, they had a sale. And so the reason I bought so much stuff, the bill was kind of high, but I got great deals, number one. And number two, I got some stuff like for me, but then also some stuff for my makeup kit. So I've actually been thinking about doing a video showing my makeup kit and all the stuff that I've got in there for when I go and do events, makeup for people and stuff like that. So I thought about doing a video on that. If you're interested, put a little survey up here. Let me know, yes or no, if you're interested in watching that kind of video, or just comment down below and let me know if you're interested in seeing my makeup kit. But anyway, let me show you some of this stuff that I got. Now, some of the things I bought were less than $1. So it was like, okay. I have my little receipt in front of me so I can tell you exactly how much everything cost as well. If you don't know about e.l.f., it's a drugstore brand. You know, it's very inexpensive. Some of their products are really good, so I don't see anything wrong with it. I haven't used them a whole lot, but I have used some of their stuff before personally, and then also in my makeup kit because, you know, starting out doing makeup, you're not going to go buy the most expensive stuff right away. You know, later on maybe you can, but right now I have a few pieces in there that are pretty good, and then I have some that are less expensive. So I wanted to make sure I have some good products either way, however much they cost, but I've got some great deals on some of this stuff, so I wanted to share it with you today. So let's stop talking about it and show you what I got. So here we go. First things first. Upside down. Hello. Everybody needs makeup remover. So I'm gonna use some of these for myself, but I bought as many as they'd let me buy. I bought 10 of them. And let me see, I think it was like $1 for these. Yeah, $1.20 for each of them. And I bought 10. Now, usually I use the Neutrogena, you know, the blue pack. I use those on myself pretty much every day to take my makeup off. And those are not real expensive, but I think they're like, you know, $4 or something like that for a pack. And I got these for $1.20, so I thought these would be great for my makeup kit, but then also, you know, to have some at home. So, like I said, I bought 10 of them. So that's one of the reasons why this box is so full. Okay, let's see. I got an Illuminating Palette. It was $2.40. Big $2, you know? And a friend of mine, her daughter is starting middle school in the fall, and so she and I have been discussing makeup for, you know, somebody that's just beginners starting out with makeup. And so I suggested this sale for her, and look at that. Those are nice. Let me get a little swatchy swatch. We'll do a 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are pretty. Not bad. You might have to layer it a little bit, but let me just do one. So look at that. That's pretty good. And then I'm gonna, okay. So if you get more product, you're doing good. So it's a little highlighting palette. I got that from my kit. Cute, little compact, and it's got a big mirror, pretty big mirror. Anyway, what I was saying is my friend, hey girl, you know who you are. She and I have been discussing what to do for a beginner. So I suggested this sale for her, and she bought some stuff too. So, I mean, it's got some great deals. This next one, I'm trying to open it without tearing the box. I don't know if you guys have ever done this before, but one thing I use sometimes if I don't want to rip the box is I use tweezers, because it just gets right in there. Ah, look at that. Opened it right on up. Okay, so this is a foundation palette. Now, I didn't know, I bought this from my kit, so I wasn't really sure. It says this cream foundation palette holds 4 complementary shades to mix and match throughout the year for custom blended colors. So that's if you're using it for yourself. Now, my idea was in my kit, you have, you know, different shade ranges for different people. I thought it'd be great for that. So it looks like it's a cream. I don't want to stick my fingers in there because I already have that highlighter. Let me do a knuckle. Okay, yeah, it's a cream. I don't want to jack it up. It's pretty though. Oh, how much was this? Let's focus, Amber. Focus. $2.40. So I got there's 2 different shades of foundation palettes. I got the light medium, and then I got the medium dark as well. So I got 2 different ones so that I'd have a range of colors in my kit, because you never know. Let me get some of these makeup wipes out of the way. Cheese and crackles. I did get some tinted moisturizer. Some tinted moisturizer they had. Now, some of the stuff that they had, there was some that were on sale and some that weren't. Now, the prices aren't very, you know, expensive anyway, but some of it you'll see when you go on the website. It might be the same product, but just different shades are different prices. So I don't know if they're just trying to clear out some of the stuff that maybe doesn't sell as much. I don't know what they're doing, but it's a summer sale, so get in there. Okay, so I bought 2 of those tinted moisturizers. I've got one in nude and the other one in beige. And the tinted moisturizers were $1.20 for one. See, that's, yeah, and $3 for the other one. So it doesn't say which color either. So one of these was on sale and the other one was not. One $1.20 and one was $3. So still not bad, but you know, I like a tinted moisturizer. So we're going to try those out. I also got a shimmer highlighting powder. Oh, so I got 2 of them. One was on sale and one was not, depending on the shade. I got 1 light color and 1 darker color. So again, these will be for my kit. So I have a range of shades. So one is Bronzed Glow and the other one is Sunset Glow. I love the names of stuff. They are really kind of a large size. Ooh, this is lovely. Very lovely. Ooh, that's pretty. It's very bronzy color. Let's see if you can see that. I'm not very good at swatching. I apologize, but look at that. It's pretty. You guys, this is like good looking stuff. So I got a light one and a darker one for that. Let me set that down. I also got a makeup brush set, and that set was like $12, I think. Okay, so it says silver 11-piece brush collection, and it was $12. So it comes with an eyeshadow brush, complexion, small angled blending, fan brush, powder brush, small precision brush, crease brush, flawless concealer brush, blush brush, I can't even say it, blush brush, and an eyebrow duo brush. So I thought they were pretty, number one. Look at the little case it comes in. So I don't know if I'm going to use this all for... Stuff's falling out. Look. Ooh. Let's pull one out and see how they feel. So we'll just get like the... Oh, they're nice. That's nice. Look. That's a big old fluffy. So I thought, you know what? 12 bucks for a whole brush set. That's not bad. We'll give those a shot. And then I did get a bunch of individual brushes as well, just to kind of try them out. I think I have a few of the e.l.f. Brushes that I use for my eyeshadow and stuff. But I just, you know, wanted to get a couple extras to either use for myself or for my kit. Because, again, low prices. Let's check them out. Beautifully Precise Blending Eye Brush was $2. This guy here. That looks like a good brush. for blending. I'm always looking for a good blending brush for my eyeshadow. So $2. We'll check it out. Defining eye brush. There it is. Defining eye brush. That one was 40 cents. 40 cents. Okay, no problem. I bought two, count them, a 1-2 contouring brushes. One for my kit and one for myself. Because I didn't have one of these brushes yet. The contouring brushes were $2.40. I also got 2 of the brow comb and brushes. You can't have enough of these. One for my kit, one for myself. Brow comb and brush, again, 40 cents each. So that's why I was like, no big deal. Let's get 2 of them. And then we have the liquid highlighter brush. It's kind of a short little guy, but it looks like a flat, kind of a flat, fluffy. The Beautifully Bare liquid highlighter brush. So to use with liquid highlighter. This one was $1.60. $1.60. Nice deal. Now this thing I thought was cool. You always have a little mess up. It's a makeup remover pen, which it kind of reminded me of like when you get a stain on your clothes or something. And like what's it called? The Tide, you know what I'm talking about. So this one was $1.20. $1.20. So I thought I'd give those a whirl and see if it even works. And I got 2 of them, one for the kit and one for myself, so I can try it and report. Now something else I bought bukus of, Lashitos. I got 10 of these because that was the max on there. I think they were like $1. They were 80 cents. 80 cents a piece. And they look nice. They don't look, you know, they don't look like they cost 80 cents. So I thought, you know, if I need these in my kit, I mean, if I really need one emergency, I'd have, you know, some for myself. But for the most part, I was going to use them for my kit in case I'm at some kind of event and they need some lashes. 80 cents, not a bad deal for me. So Blend Perfect Concealer. So we have 2 concealers that I bought, 2 different colors that they had. And the pricing on this, one of them was 80 cents and the other one was $2. So again, it was, I guess, whatever they have in stock. They might be trying to move out one color that they don't use as much or they don't sell as much. I don't know which one was which. But the 2 colors that I purchased, one is apricot beige and the other one is the light beige. So they have a little applicator in there. You can see it there on the packaging. So we'll try those out and see how they do. Okay, what else? We got a few more items. I got a silicone glitter applicator. So if you know me, you know I'm a glitter fan. Glitterati. We love to sparkle and shine in this house. I thought this would be a nice little applicator to put on glitter because sometimes I use brushes, but this one is a silicone applicator, so I thought I'd try something different. And it was $1.20. So if you're interested in starting to work with some glitter, it says it's a small silicone applicator, easily deposits glitter products and lip gloss for a precise mess-free application. So $1.20, not a bad deal. This one I bought for my kit, Flyaway Tamers. I could have used these at an event I was at. This woman, I was doing her makeup and she had, you know, bangs and hair all down in her face. And I didn't want to mess with her hair, but I kept having to, you know, lift it up to get under there. And even when I did my mother's makeup, if you have not watched that video, that is a must watch with my mom. Make sure you check that out. I'll put the link right up here. But I could have used these that day because her hair was all down in here and I'm trying to do her makeup, so it was in the way. So I thought I'd try these out, see if they work. The Flyaway Tamers were $2. So it's just like a Velcro on the back. It says these cute and functional hair bows, smooth and hold back flyaways to clear your face for easy makeup and skincare application. So they're really cute. Try them out. We got a brow pencil, taupe. I got taupe. So it's kind of a darker color, but it's got the spoolie on one end and then the pencil on the other. And it looks like the brow pencil, it says Instant Lift brow pencil. And I don't know what it's lifting, but it was $2. Last thing is they gave me a gift with my purchase. So that was nice. There's 3 little products in here. Looks like I have a highlighter, silk eyeshadow, and moisturizing Ravishing Rose lipstick. Let's get in here. The lipstick is really a pretty color. Let's get in there. Use my trusty tweezers so I don't rip it all apart. All right. Oh, okay. Look at how cute. Ah, that's cute. Little cutesy. So this is Silky Texture Glides on Lips with Vibrant Color and Luminous Shine. Moisturizing Ravishing Rose. So I guess it's like a pinky. Let's do a little swatchy swatch. There we go. Pinky pink. That's cute for being free. We got a highlighter. I've used that before. It's pretty good. And then the silk eyeshadow. Let's open her up. Jeez, can't get in there. Okay, so the eyeshadow looks like it's some browns, some neutrals, you know, everyday colors that you can use. Pretty little trio. Nice colors. There's 2 mattes and 1 shimmer. A shimmer. Shimmer. Now silk eyeshadow. Why does it say silk? Let's do a little swatchy swatch. Ooh, it does feel silky. Hence the name. Let's see. Can you see it there? I am terrible at swatching. There's that brown. That's a nice brown. Here we go. Okay, freebie. We love a freebie. So that's pretty much it, you guys. Like, I think the sale is still on right now, so you might want to go check it out if there's anything that you were looking at. And like I said, if you're interested in seeing a video on my makeup kit, just to kind of see what kind of stuff goes in one, if you're wanting to start one yourself, or you were just interested to see, please let me know. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do so today. Subscribe below and hit that notification bell so that you do get a little note every time I have a new video. Thank you. Check out my other videos, and you guys have a great day. Bye.